The interesting thing here is by not striking down Section 2, here's what it basically means. The argument before was that Section 2 meant you had to give these minorities their own district. Now, they're saying, no, Section 2 is still there. The protection for minorities is still there. You can't erase a racial group. What does that mean? Creating a district based on race would exclude any other races. If you create a majority black district, you're excluding white voters. You can't use race as the factor for what you're doing this. You can do it for a variety of reasons to protect incumbents, as they said, maybe because you want to make it more compact. All of those things make sense. This means, technically speaking, outside of Louisiana, these other states should now legally be required to and likely will be forced to. This is a nuclear bomb. Guys, I need to say it. This is a nuclear bomb, and I'm going to tell you why. We will likely now see lawsuits erupt across all of these states, forcing them to redistrict. Because of the way this ruling was handed down, it is not that Mississippi might then go, well, perhaps we should redistrict if the ruling is as such. Nope. What's going to happen is there's going to immediately be lawsuits in these states filed by hundreds of parties arguing that race-based gerrymandering is illegal, is unconstitutional. And thus, when it goes to the courts and they instantly cite the Supreme Court, lower court's going to have no argument. It's been decided, in which case the states could actually just say, nope, we're not fighting it. We agree. The Supreme Court has laid this down. The attorneys general of these states, when faced with these lawsuits, may just say, based on our opinion from the Supreme Court ruling, the merit in this is unquestionable, and we therefore accept terms and move towards remedy. In which case, if they so choose, it will be a finger snap. These states will then say, we apologize, but we have no choice. The Supreme Court issued the ruling, and these racial gerrymandered districts cannot be allowed to persist.